Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are from group CIM 2634E. Today, we want to present about our project, which is Capstone Project Management System. So this is our group member. My name is Siti Rabidat Rawiyah binti Sadali.
My name is Nura Asmalaila binti Muhammad Fakri.
My name is Muhammad Akmal bin Lamjarani.
My name is Muhammad Adam Daniel bin Azhari.
So for the introduction, this project is a compulsory academic requirement that requires students to apply the knowledge and skill that they have gained throughout their studies to complete a project. This project process involves several stages, including project registration, proposal submission and approval, project development, progress monitoring, and final evaluation. However, managing these processes manually or using separate platform often leads to a problem such as a poor tracking of submission, lack of transparency in supervision, difficulty in monitoring student progress, and inefficient record management. Supervisor who manage multiple students may also have face challenge in providing consistent feedback and maintaining assessment record. Therefore, this centralized capstone project management system is an essential to streamline the entire project lifestyle, improve communication, ensure transparency, and provide systematic documentation for academic reference and reporting purpose.
For the back end, I utilize my SQL managed via PHP my admin. I have designed the relational database in the RecomTRX database that are provided to us. I have designed the relational database, which consists of three core entities. The first one is the student. This table store all the registered user information. I have set student ID as the primary key with auto increment. This is crucial because it allows the database to automatically generate a unique ID for every new student, ensuring no two records ever conflict. For the matrix number column, I applied a unique index. This prevents the same student from registering multiple accounts. If a student tries to sign up twice with the same matrix number, the database will reject it. Then I use a varchar for text field like name and email to optimize storage, and timestamp to create for created at to automatically track when user register. The moving on to the supervisor table, which manage the administrator access for the system. The primary key here is the supervisor underscore ID. It will define as the primary key with auto increment. This function as the internal system tracker, assigning a unique integer to every supervisor record automatically. Then the unique constraint, which is the staff underscore ID column. You will see a silver key icon. This indicates the unique index. I applied this constraint to ensure that staff ID can only exist once in the database. This prevents duplicate administrator account to ensure strict access control. Unlike the student table, there is no public sign up for this table. Data here is entered manually by the database administrator, which add layer of security to the table.
Next is the project tables, which act as the bridge between users. This is the most important part of the design. You can see the student ID and the supervisor ID columns. Here have the silver icon, which I set as the foreign key. And then for the project ID, I set the as primary key, which auto increment. And for the student ID and supervisor ID, I have configured this as foreign key. This is enforced referential integrity. It means a project cannot be created unless it is linked to a valid existing student ID in the student table. If a student account is delayed, their project is automatically removed to prevent orphan data. For the data validation, for the status column, I set as an enum which consists of pending, approve, and reject. This prevent errors where the status might be typo or maybe undefined. So this is the project tables. Next, for the ER diagram, which visual proof. Finally, to visualize these connections, here is the designer views. As you can see, there are three tables which consist of students, supervisor, and project. This is a clear one. This is a clear one. This is a clear one-to-one relationship between students and the project, and meaning that one student submits one proposal. This is also a relationship linking the supervisor project, which allowing them to manage the approve process. This robust structure ensures the application runs without data errors.
For the next step, you guys need to search for our domain name, which is given by our lecturer, and you guys will go to our homepage. First of all, you need to sign up first. Sign all of information here. After success, you guys log in to your student ID that has been created just now, and this is our interface for CPMS student site. This is my profile, and upon login the website, the dashboard fetch my personal data from the student table that we just looked at. Currently, there is no project that I have submit, so I will show you. And after you have filled your project title and description, you guys need to submit proposal. And the currently show that the status of the project is pending. After that, you guys need to out. For the second step, I will show you from the so for the supervisor side. You can notice that we cannot sign up as a supervisor. As a security manager, supervisor account are manually created in the database to prevent unauthorized access. And here we have already have the user ID login. So currently you guys can see the pending project proposal that we have done just now, and you can comment to this, and you can choose either to approve or reject it. Okay, and for the last step, you need to switching back to the student view again. And you can see the status that has been updated, which is approved. And also there are the supervisor comment, which is displayed here. This complete the full cycle of the system.
As a conclusion, this project effectively meets the requirement of the information system and management program by providing a centralized platform to manage the entire life cycle of the projects. By combining PHP operation with the MySQL, the system bridges academic learning and real-world practice. Key milestones include a well-defined data dictionary and ER model, ensuring data integrity and clear relationship between student, supervisor, and project, while enforcing business rules such as proposal approval before project development. Role-based dashboard enhance transparency and provide real-time feedback, guiding students toward their final viva. The use of AI tools streamline coding and database management, and the success deployment of the prototype demonstrate the group ability to apply advanced database concept in a secure and functional system. That's all from us. Thank you.